Ibi e do nous on. Wa bota o. Wa bebe ne ge kai wa ya la mugu. Mais non ibe la dian we utana. Ina we ne ni we gun aje me ibi e our youth. E de na utana a message to our youth. No re do. E ibe oni be igugun. So emi ni oni tabe na we ni a ila o ikabe in my old video ikabe ta we yabe ila dian ni be tami ani a ila o be me election na ha iuna ina we ni tami a we because election na ha una e oge igbina e oge isagi e aya we ni a ila ogogo ni a ge gian ide orin ani a ke conscience yan na be a politician so na be we ni la dia be na ni be igun yan go ni be the advice na be ni a ge we ni aka iu na me we yan irigo ni ya agbina so the only thing only megi tana ni ala ogogo any politician no gi tai we nuwa ni irigo nuwa do ya agbina ni e even wa tamia we ni aka ya vie iriyan yan Vivian re wa le lian ya igbina de ni yan ko yan ibi yan ko dawo de wa le lian eri okay no je so wala gogo wa ga igbina ni politician nu wa ga ru de me bi go ni ari nu wa ya hin ifu cho wa hin ni ya because yan mo wa o yan mi ni ya o because wa yan iwe ne ya Vivian ari e webu wa asuse na me wu wa ga no and the citizen nu wa hin eyan be hin so wa la wa ga igbina ni wa wise up wa open a brain wa open a wa ni aga mu wa yu na we ya we give a message na to our youth wa la ho wa ga igbina ni an wa la wa stand you de no ma o de na ma a stand ji ni wa la wa ko boku gbe why gian rigo because once yan rigo wa ewo ya degi yeke ewo ni elago da because yan rigo ni ari nu wa ni tin ave de gbege na gberegbe o se imu na ni ya inwina because igo yan lo so igo ni imu ya ri se gbin ri se family yan ri se vi ya Vivian ya yekete be webo wa de ju wa agbina ni ya so gbe re ma it make sense so ina we have la jan na ni be tamu wa la wo wa take easy wa ga mi an go even no kasunu you waga igeri sunu because iyan ya ni aka ya ring election iyan ya re Europe tori ni yan oni opara we alert because owe obi ebo order because our people they are suffering here when ya vela gbo ni ya ade ni ya se ewebo inwinairo useyan ya je because some of them are regretting where they tin yan ge pa hin ware oba asebe bone o ka ge fi abo ari wa yan je because our youth yan suffer because we man ma yan ha wa gege we eso no be yere ba na me bi do gbe poro de gbe ati be ni no re ma na kan ya ari o wa he ya settle yan hin ga gwa lo be na dole we ma je aga dole ji e ma aga ri o wa yan ya stay but we yan e dori go nu wa because go na we na dole wo ji ni yan hin aga iga go nu wa ni yan aga na e ba ko yan na me business ge yan o they have to gain it back so wa ga mi ago nu wa ko boku gbe because wa no we ya mi ago nu wa we de ba o ma no we ri ai bo we wa iri oji so we ma pa na we election boyan we election ni ya o we ma na me mi egbe ri yan gbina is the youth or correct ave yan is yan rule yan e youth or correct yan ha we den ta mi awe o yan gwa le gbe na ri yan gwa le ji and the youth yan rule gbi yan rule yan ga go ni yan wa la wo go wa wise up wa ra o wa open a brain wa igin ari mu wa ri wu because yan chitu wa yan ji wa ya ma e ga e de ni yan ji wa ya treni bi yan le webo yan iwe ivi yan du fi yan do arulu wa and the cities yo pa o wa ya hun so ye na me we ti yan mu wa o be oni nu wa la wo wa ga igin ari ilu wa waga iginya gi luwa ya agwe ni ado ni ya nuwado koda nuwa ya ring election nuwa ya we nokpa nuwado mosisi we ni ya Vivian re watamia e right wa e no tamia we ni ya Vivian akoda wa le ni Vivian wo kinya ni akoda wa le ni e di ga ring election wa le ni ya ring e watamia be oni nuwa la wo ho because emi okpa me we ni me gi tana we because e mapa e ore agbona e boyan mi ro e boyan le we election iya je abeju tu iya jin ya ring election o ha ye gin ya beta la je ma we ifu we no nyo se na nia iya o correct ya ha ta mi iya e di ju to o mu ya ko ye gan di ju to o kan ko ya dole woji ni wala wo wa ga mi ya igo e na we ala jan for our youth avast e yan wa ni luwa then abe man be re village ni very gwe be no ge na nia iya no agwa akampe e kampe iya manire social media ma be gun amedian even iya ni be ro wa ya be gun am social media but there are many people no ro wa we na iya ni gweje ni awo e so we ro no we redo we bani but iya have access to all those things where maybe so me light e so iya internet ni aya ge abi ya na talo or na kampe so e mi no ke ni da doge wo ma no yin kampe o ke no toge we social media o manire mana ma be awo ma be ma be seti be wu ni be ro wa no be ta be social media anybody no we go on so they have to come out boot on the ground from house to house from village to village ni a campe ma we o ma be ni na e wa vote na o ba seki wa han vote na ge wa ka mi we ni awe 4+4 o ma o ba seki o the best man the best person o ru wa yin baby re no ruwa no we mi wari agwa no ri ruwa wa ya kampe ma ya milioni because na tave the social media na tave TV iya mo bo hon because the people any iya so many light iya so ma dey aware so iya ma dey gbe milioni sunu so the best thing our ladian from house to house boot on the ground that is the only way na ya fight e na ata me we have to open their brain they are gari ekio wa ya kampe ma ya ni ro wa o ni de keni ari age wa ya kampe ya maya iri ya ya e pick then no be ari go from village to village aya kampe maya then the youth ni vereba ave akami ave ko gebe no share why vote no ma be na go na okay no vote na ya right ya ma no be mani ani ave vote na this is the only way na be ya solve this very problem so why ladian wa ave man be kampe wa ari village wa share a video na share this video share it to everywhere share it to your invite your friend to come and listen share this video so that we get to them so that because owo kan wa ino wa be won mani vere Europe no we blogger na no we ire social media why we are trying why we are having ma beta because the way they bowe ya wo kan ma be pick I think we here ho why we pick so that why we are we win ma ya the access to all those things no ya get internet or me light no ya get because so easy the man there Europe we mana or internet they by light man we but ese man bun they man not bun we bo ma ese am but here we hon so man dey gbe video don't exist. This is why you people have to when we campaign why you have to come out house to house door to door village to village. Then after me I can hear her because our people here some of them they are very easy near convinced baba na convince me when even re have the so near ma give here I want to vote na when are you boy ya ri boy already are go near na ya korotia or say na even you to near lawo near ya ho ge na bia because of money because these politicians they are using you people after using you people they will drop you here dump wa look at awe mani pa wa ni ga de ni awe soro ni ya ring election ni wa leze ni na wa legbe Morocco le Libya verati Europe they are suffering many of them are suffering because e ma ya ni Europe wa wa ta we maybe o wa ri ni na do lo wa ji ni ma ya di ni da do ya ri pe di o wa imagine so no one no wa ta we maybe o wa ri ni ero ibibi ani wa re na ibi ere ya emebe iya anything ogun ya ma so to Europe e be de Europe ka je eri ohije we no ga je be genete nana me egwe emi ya o dey okay now o mali dey okay anybody some of them you see your people here they are suffering like here any lesser and many of them are suffering they so ya beg ya ma ya beg ne they cannot even pay house rent a house rent you go no beg ni ya pay house rent so people are suffering they to wa ma ima show me bi aga ide ni ado asofa be dia na because owo okpe ama on diva no okoma on diva ma no ma ese betia ise mana ne ama egwerio edi ewe boje ebo ibiere ya emo bobe me etia bu ya yekerekere iya mami nguna ni ari ni bi ebu ya ama we ni ahia ari no riovi iya do bobe amene ni nguna we ado bobe mine ni nguna igo no mie uya pe igo ya pe bilofo afo ai mi ro wa o mase ni wala ogogo wa youth wa ko boku gbe wala ho ni wa go ba seki wa vote no ba seki so that emi no ma o de no la ni wa lele la ni wa give no ma because we aga kemi tari emi na ko ya ho emi na ko ya ro wana go ewe ana do le boniji ba na ama wa emi ni wa ko ni to wa hen we wa do enjoy at least mana emi no rewe bu mana bia ami we ma emi no ma we no aga mo tran amu yo ni tran wa emi ma ni bere we bo yan ebe no je e tran na are ba ni o e train na aro o metro no lugoto ona aro emi ya no rewe bo ona we je ba ni emi no ma e no ma ya bia ajo wa ifu e bo yan bere ba na do le we ma yen bere so governor pa o kan do lo oji it's only one person, it's only one person. So man revo odo le boji mane a citizen odo le boji maybe ti bata we boni meje mana the citizen onya wo the citizen or the government oro pa na la tan we no do rule inwina onwina yo na be ya no ya ri na ri inwina na office no wina the governor is the citizen or the governor or the citizen or ke no ko boku gbe ya do le boji because here all the government here all the governor here onya wiya o ma no governor matagi ohun we no ya nwina no so I can say I never yin opa kan clean corruption opa kan akuyan kan opa kan awon na no he cannot do it alone, he can't do it alone. So a citizen or they buy a governor the lewoji any corruption where if you see something say something anything we me ni amule who do tell that is a good citizen a good citizen of Ebony. So if you see bad thing tell us yeah it's a way of cleaning the country. I cooperate with the governor, I cooperate with a government so that I had to lewoji because Ebony is for everybody. Oga mani me oga manu we oga mani governor oga mani everybody o manu kokoro re ba mani we no re o mani ma ya no re ba o mana be ma o wa we ri ani ma ya fefe we ri ani ma ya fefe eri oji. So oze we bo ebo ya fi gba yan me ya fi gbe dede edionwa o do le gun yan ji yan o do le gun yan because yan gba the corruption a corruption na aro even ave the direct person ni and the river the we bo e so me camera yan me anybody no like compound ni yan na ifo o ma bian yan so give information no ogbalegbe eri oji e dede edionwa eri ya mu na we bo na even a se fo kita iya na ge gwe ya ma set save ni ya na ya to click corruption meta na ya we iya kokko ya fe gba me okoko ko boku gbere ya dole gun ya ji iya ti di emi iya fi se iya fi se ye kita ni iya fi se ya we no hun ya iya we no hun ya iya fi se camera ni fi se yo o hun ya o ya no ya film mi no ya film eri o de gbe bo no nya ya ti o ibo no nya ya ti den e camera ni o mu emi ni ne e secret ni o mu eni. So ekitabe de baya be clean every yan we oni ekitabe fight corruption to be fight corruption we oni so eri oje be we bo even anya me yen be David yo we yen ti send anya me all dey Nigeria o we ro be de o we ade ge some we de gbe ade o bu yan we ade yen ige na fi si yo we ni o ya fi me mi no ya fi me ri ni eri ya clean corruption o ya meta we arin yan ko bo mi gbe na be ya clean corruption because e wo ni yan le vigi they must do their own that dog we part of it wala wa ma gbe mane ma na gun ni mayako boku gbe nakoko dole bodiji ni mayako boku gbe nakoko fight corruption everybody all fight corruption arun opa fight corruption governor opa fight corruption president opa fight corruption is everybody, it's everybody's job, it's everybody okeke no lawe e cannot really because as far as you live here you must join your hand or where if you see something say something ile ya clean le ri ebo ya we na me go na fure na me we ma ya do very e we ya ma do to tajo ni wala ogogo na ko boku gbe na dole e we ma se oni ibe ho ni be itawo na be ibolo ifo abe be ba ni opa ni meri oni ri itawo we oge mi ati e jige ize yamu no ogie mafia ize ya mu ime hia gegbe ohwe because otilu we la wa nu we we me no because ikata ma we kata in my old video where ebi no ro ma kega wa ri bojo be ta lo bejo baba na o mane na be ta lo beji na ta lo jo we the governor no wa sagbon ri oba odo wa akeriere o ma no wo mo tin odo wa o kewere o ma wa re no we o wa mo tin no a prepare ko donire o ise agbon o izine ogugwe eme governor na rule ero we kega kaka mo we derio ero we kega tetoro we kega at least nuna ka won na we the other one maybe our governor ne wa we wait years we no ogba but ero we kega why are you forcing yourself you force egbu because you better my old video where if you no wa ogbe or na mi kwa egbe you better stay away or step down resign is there yam resign. The only message in our hamawe, the best thing no why you free out of this all those things in the no sununa, you better resign. If you love it though, you love your country, when an abio, who call resign, ne ya ye kwere, who resign because APC were APC. Okay, nana, iya we ya via oji no re utansa, uyansa no kabira, no duigo mu no muje, no vigo you wagbada, no $2 you wagbada. Boari mure ona we koni baiwe ni a de ba show mo le noji ni a de ni a do campe we do do ni ana do campe I ka we go egwan ze ya mo na we lare emi ya no sunu my video ni we about 2 days ago ina emi ya no sunu hu we ya je because we wo mi onwo wo to pa mo wo moto wo bi ebini na no sieti na ya fefefe no roto na when is ya mo sieti na ya fefefe no roto na o ma we o sie because I'm aware no wo kan e because mo we na va we ma because anything na sunu we ya je ze jamu na we be doku egwan wota na we ya je na ya we avia no 40 boari we no ni ado deliver do ni they no do ni deliver do we deliver do because ga no na area boari na hunwa ona hunwa mazejo imemi ni olodani ari ne no na hunwa ebe mi yagi dia ne osomole na ari ebo wa yo obo osomole o ga rule Nigeria o ma gun aso na ni igbe emi yagi do seto no na igweri ono ge ni ado deliver do ni la wo edo roba upmo park na do deliver park na do deliver no na agege Buhari president wa gweri ono na do deliver do ni no park na park na envelope na do deliver ti because when la ne go ni san ire ba ni ebi no ka wo mawe agwo egwan ami ma na magwo egwan ebi na sunu ona hunwa the 10 minutes that thing ate oni awe shege then no basaki na ipa no na gari PDP eri ote no te ye ko ya mwima so la wowo ize ya mo wonya me na because era eyan wen ahin oji ne ni be hin eyan be gi oji we ni on te no be buwe no ji gade la wowo ize ya mo resign mama my gwale okwo we wo ni resign you better resign because wa be do get yan be full we carry away we agbe ni ya wa oni wa agbefo ya oni agbefo tulubu be osomole ti ya oni wa agbe carry away fo we yan so ya oni agbe carry away fo wa mo no me nwe we no wa je na the best thing who wa resign you will see that people will love you in gele we yes obi e wo nu gele hin we nu ya we na gele ma nu gi am wa le ani amupa because we man resign ya we ante ni ari we ya do mu je ba ni and we APC and the we do ya mu we ba ni e ba ni APC ni yere ba we ni ya do mu we ja ni hu e o ma bega to we hin ase me be ni the best thing who resign is there ya mu resign because e kan do na ya ko we family o wa e family who love you is there ya mu family wa won no bi wa no lawa when on lagwa a politics na hu ya ta o se ba me na hu ya ta when on lagwa o se ego yo gbera ne ego ma be na ibe hin oni igwe ni tamize jamu yan no ya vio ni awe avio de o ta unsa ni avio de ni we ni ado deliver do eri no pa obi unsa no be ra ni no $2 mu no muje no muje ju gbagbada yan ri giere no be buwe ade ma be get yan fuluwe. If any of you obi amahwa and most of them they cannot come because it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace because a case where but here over no case and it's a disgrace to nene APC in Nigeria as a whole. It's a disgrace. vai na me go o ma no right no me case o ma no me case be court no do 700 million mu I mi ya na no so mo le ta le mata e ya re ho e ya he do here la no represent APC ya. It's a very big disgrace to APC in Nigeria now. It's a very big disgrace to them. The best thing they should withdraw. Dia yare wa be yen ri la dia we aye ho ni ame candidate be do yen yare wa be yen la de ze ya mu hu ebun gbe. Then when is ya mu you have to resign. You have to resign. O Shomole Noro should go and confess. O Shomole should come out and go and tell the Benin people, the Edo people. Go and tell them and confess to Edo people. Confess to that land, Oshomole. If not so, you will not have rest of mind. Oshomole should come out and confess. If you have anything in mind, Oshomole should come out. Tell the Edo people, beg the Edo people, tell them to forgive you. Confess everything you know that you hide. As soon as plan everything for you with Tulubu and all this about this mafia in North. You have to come out and say everything. Explain everything to Edo people. Let them know. Just confess and let everything go like that. If not, you will have problem. You will have problem. Oshomole, this is your own message here. You should come out and apologize to Edo people and you should confess. If not, you will not have rest. You will not have peace in your life. You will not have peace, Oshomole. Oshomole, you have to come out. You have to come out and explain everything. Confess to Edo people before you will have rest of mind in your life and your family and your children. If you love your people, you love your family, you love your children, you have to come out and confess. That is your own message. Ize Iyamu Noro will resign. That is the only way to solve it because your case now is too much. Your case is too much. You cannot rule Edo because you have many cases. And with Europe, you still have case with Europe. You have problem with European because they are waiting for you. How can you rule Edo? You cannot even rule because you have many cases. Eh? Nana, iya we are rudawe iya di Edo. Ave mafia ni re not iya we are di Edo. Edo ni ade. We ma envelope na ya deliver. Ne Buhari na we ade because Buhari no we are yen work ne. Gane Buhari na agwa the second time. Oh ye Buhari ga do kino ga do na he yo ere o na we ate no se o ma o love we do no. Ogi la wa ne no me second time. Buhari ma ze yo. Ege Buhari no gwa ogi re ba ni. Ye ma ze yo gbenu ari egi no. Omo ogbe 3 years ba ni ano ikere ne. O my kind, no ikon wa web wa o my kind. O kon ne PC ko bezaga, o my kind Buhari. So we have to use our brain. Everybody hold his side. All Satana, all of you should come out. All Satana, you should hold your table well, hold your chair. All Satana, everybody should come out and gang up. Hold una chair, una hold una chair well, very well. Una table, una hold on well, una hold on side because the Northerners they are cheating us. They are cheating us. They have been cheating us since. Enough is enough. Adesso basta. Enough is enough. So all this Satana, all of you should gang up and save your side. It's what the Northerners is what they are doing, and the Yorubas is what they are still doing too. You people should hold your side. That is the truth. Please, I'm begging everybody. I'm begging everybody. So is there Iyamu? Yeah, resign. You should resign. If not, if you love your head, you love your family, you love your family and your children, you have to resign. Who resign? Because Rudawe yana we adi. And it talk by now. Yeah, by now. Me bo. Anyone we pa. If you know we dey ado soko ye do yen me ado sigbin ado anything. Okay no. Yeah, yore. Everyone abata. All the etem no me na yo kan aje ni a. All the team no me na once yan mo ene wo ni owe. Yan ade do ni ado ziba. Na lie, yeah, here more tired, you can so Ebony is a peace land. So my gwal anybody no do see yo, my gwal anybody no do moko no do mujo, e mok ba wari, o gwani ave say I will be a way and wa, why we do so kojo. Ti sunu. E sunu ge ye. Let you saloboa, et you doesn't know. E sunu. eti edin do eti sunu so anybody no wa mo e wo no we yan do gbina e wo ni eri yan do siezo eri yan do ring election eri yan do so kwesagin o ga bi e yore eni ka boy jowe eri o yan do because my gwa leso be wo ni election e sagin aya election anybody o pe ana ko no any youth wan saje o ti gbojo anybody on earth no ri ba ene no ko ri bi ene ona gwe di ono yan do siezo ye wo ni de election o ga bi e yore o din e temi no mi na e ba no han la unless no wa mi no ma be mind we mi no mind e ro da e di e to ni adori o weka e keni yes o mane a blessing no wa we ro wa we mi o but ona igwe he yen mu egbe mi dan mo we ma din ado si ba we wo ni o ga bi e yore e mi obo bi o kan se so oni e ho ni tan wala wo my youth wala wo wala on wa geli mu epeti ni ya iya ado bogi wa wata mi e we ni afivi ya wa we ni afivi ya re vi ya ni afio ye we bo wa we ni afivi ya re ni afivi ya re ni ado koko because ego ni e vi ya live e ya do ya bole mansion ji vi ya e we bo we ni afivi ya re e vi ya re den ya ni vi ya ko da o wa ri lele ya mo AK45 ya mo je AK47 on my ya mo ji vi ya bo then why ye mo 45 ya mo nu wa lele ya boot on the ground why ya kan no ko area ya we na why ya we because when you people are doing all those things the whole world are looking mi no ma be ho ye because eju to re bo yan we wa esunu like even wa gbe na do so be lawyer or do so be judge or do so be police or do so eju ti yan police le European eju to yan police eju to yan lawyer eju to yan judge because yan nya we yan ta mu wa ye ba we wa ya na ma mu wa ye ba we wa do alu yan so vin o wa ki nya bo no right yan wa fight yo wa ba obi o kan ne kere o ka mo we right yan no it can't o wa the piece of boa o gbe president e wa o wa gbe wa because right e no if no ke no we can enjoy the we bo equal e ma ya je e bo even ya reason eyin hin akwe we president hu fe we aro we ani hin e bo ni o we ya fe we ti go we ya fe no problem but the say everybody is equal so we Africa, that is the youth our youth you people have to pick something from the white people wa we learn when they are dole we anji yan to be an o kon ko ne we na me we na do e pisi na aro ni ma ya na be very do atuta egbe o ke ma wa eri ya wo yan ge bo the youth o we any small thing a president ya or governor anyone or governor ya or wa pm yan take a law into their hand yan get say yan agbe police or lawyer judge ogbe egbere yan to be an handle when is ya mujeni dona eve de bojeno eve sunu ni a rubbish ni or is ya mo makeke ni mi wina no concern every government am I go to all the way governor. What a shame to Nigeria government. What a shame. We are in my wild town, we ma ware we break we ma ya ni Europe take we ma ba ho we o ma no right a criminal and is ya mo say e no wan a mafia is ya mo hin e bo we wan ya tie mafia is ya mo me case with European o there we can retire o there we na we case with European because is ya mo o a cap or a court or give a court we do then any yana o yan election avian gian eni ze ya mo gun ya be mana is ya mo cannot come out wala wa share this video share it everywhere share it invite your friends to come and listen is ya mo a case with ebo o den o ya me case with yan yes we na because yin o e no wan court we do e mota e boy say ni amu imu ya boss ya ni amu many of them yaribe ni imu ya do kawe governor via governor no wan ya eri ni ya sin abo any gele do investigate and matter gele no maybe Italy ni meje na pa the whole European Union ya ni ogun ya share this video share it wa gese keni e mani konkon no be ono wo ni a make sure we atala dan is there ya mo case with European Union because eyan na avio de na ati Nigeria mafia yin o e kapo yin ave do because e boya te mafia mana de wa te e court ni e mafia e ni anya ni na te e mana ize ya mu o no wan ya so if ye no he gian wa no he gian Europe iya ordinance ane mi ya ni ma o ya fefe we ma ya fe ni ama ero ne bo ma ero we na wa gwo na ne e bi wa do kedere ade me we me tab wa share this video wa ya ho wa gese no bu wa gese kinota e bi ya no wa kedere ade no konsana Obaseki we ni agwe ho he we iya ne ya ro satellite ye Nigeria iya ro satellite ye Nigeria oni ya wa ya dan me ho e bi ya no so ya fefe ni ama ero be no we ni ya be ko hia e bi no be sie ni na be ko hia yeah, and this very man na tie ze yamuna ikese ogun ya oni o do we governor e mota that we my so ya dan news ya ho we news we keni be kese ogun ya even a prime minister of Spain ya time news Spain na ho gi o no wan ya no he akin ya ya regulation ya na fi akin ya they are waiting for ze yamu in Europe oni o do we governor. Share this video and let everybody hear. Is there a case? It's a wanted person in Europe. Malta. He on the news. And the boss say no have any way. Kaya yang mene ya your auto. If I lay you say. Eh Malta. Oh my baby no have do or can do rule governor. Ah, yeah, what is grace here do? My brother said you didn't. Is there a resign? Wow, no am peace with dark moment. Who resign? Why resign? Hey, am I go yes. Oh, yeah, we ma working. Yes, you are a good man. You are a good man. A boy post of age so wobo. Erioke nonje. Erioke nonje resign. Do or die. Resign. A boy ne kan go be le na ni ya be mu wese ba ni. Wa we ye be wa ya we be be wa. Uri e loja wa be do e gwen. Ya be swear. Eriose. Oh, ya wini na we okay well any win election we wa you are still having problem upon problem de gbe mu osomole disgrace we ani ono mai all over the world wo you get okun criminal get okun who accident jama get you cannot handle do you cannot even rule who what rule do awo manukun igo ariwo wo na ngwera kwemi ase fa na igo yo we yore we na mi go logo we say so who are destroyed do what you let do oshomu leta ota ni e maybe we dokpa o di owo ya hon keboke ya yan eh why are you insisting who are do ye rule after disgracing me a disgrace bungbe and now they are still disgracing you like again ya bia usa ave ojinoro do ni awon adenia we ya kan mo adenia no ni abo we dey na be say yan ye full we the best thing my brother who why go resign wa resign wa me PCR e ya ye kwere ni ari o ma be ni ari latia e be wa say because we me case no me too much gbe iya ye de gbe ya da e ba iya ho nu we wa de gbe de ye nenu fun if not ula wa me me no agede wo because there you go we ya gbe na be salary we kan me every month we gbe na ri ba let's say the truth o keke na be temata na abi ha I have a temata o keke no wa temata me e ba ya the reason we na ri ba ni maybe salary no wa me month e wa ya na gbe na jo no it's not like that yeah 4+4 PDP o wa gba ogbane PDP yeah ogbane undigo ni wa ya gbega emi na debe 10,000 wa we 100,000 no ke wa gbe yepo emi na debe we 1 million why we 10 million gbe yepo e we ba ni ba nyo we wa gbina ji salary wa mi we gbina ji emi ni we ba ni ba ni beto ba seki we no is no o we ekwe no mo agberu no more sharing the money no more godfather any honey we don't want it anymore. We don't want it. A land in a gualo. Or we a gualagbo. And a matter of no time in the oji. A canorator wa here. A tray movie tray one no. Movie tray. A tray no what or what baba fium. Well no but I one. Anybody no what do cross a or a okay, can I beg a Obaseki? It's a movement. Whether people like it or not, yes. It's a movement. Oh wa here. o wa hia e metro wa wari e metro ni ma wala na wa wari e kwa fion a minute or second on yede e oba seki wa ho. It's a moving star. E oba seki whether you people like it or not. Osalobo abie. Osalobo amo e ba ni to se wa. Ize ya mu la gogo ran bo yan ekure. E ga no Osalobo na gbon no na send a message ure ba. E ga no na be send we message yen be re ba. O yin wa be una. E destiny na ho. E destiny ogo wa be mo. Ari amahime. Ari amahime. Rampo yen kure ge wo we ne ya gi disturb Osalobo ya gi disturb Osalobo no je man ya no ragbona because when you are disturbing this man Osalobo will disturb because Osalobo ge ohun no je Osalobo ge ohun no je ikata mu wa ina wo mo no ko mu wo we mi yo mo amomo e de awi yo mo ga mo ri de o ezeri gbebe ezeri dede gbebe ezeri gbebe ezeri gbebe o ezeri gbebe iye me ga mo ivie o te ma ize di gbebe o ijo mo ga mo ivie o ezeri gbebe ti e ko ya ti amu abasaki wo ijo mo ga mo wo evie agwa obo na mo wo ede so why ko ran bo okoko e ma ye na fon we ko ga mu ina wa mu ko na ze ya mu e ko la wa dia resign pe ni ke bonu eze se no ke dere ade resign no ya mi no gbegbe se we be election won eze ya mu ona ibe ho ni be itabe utana so why ko take away the resign o so mo le na ro we no wa lehian we no wa lehian we ne ga fi we la tedo o we ri ono ge ti an do si ezo ye do yen di o so mo le ga we kan tedo ni o tedo kan no e ken no ba no kan no e go so mo le o le so ya ka we no so mo le ma na ka igbagbon ko we no ri e do no ya ka emi dan ya no wo ije kedo ebe no ya suma he we no ya de by bi ansa de by bi Yoruba ya suma we ne e do ri ado wa o so mo le should go to Benin and confess o so mo le should go to Benin and confess if not you will not have peace in your life. You will scatter all your life. You will scatter all your life, and your family will scatter until you go and confess to Edo people. Go to that land and confess. Onyokpa e oni tawo wa ya wesi so ona ibe oni be tawe utana wa wesi wa bi dameho so e video na wala wa we go be show wa gi save and ibo wa gi an we hon share the video, invite your friends, invite everybody to listen to this video so that our youth yan we understand yan we mi be we ke man we area village so wala wa go show a video na wa show wa gi we sedo maybe man so abi yan we de kun yan we he wa we pick me so because many time that is the truth no concern me is e ya mu ni mata be mana e mani bumo bo wa mi e lati ni ya ga e wa bet wa ga bi hon wa we ta we pass parola wa be hon we ta me no pa Italia we pass parola so no be hon we ta me no pa e gbe video na wa we ge many time no even we so big obey government obey our governor many time we is a wanted person in Europe. Let them find when you investigate any get there okay no and matter no wa get save I mean man ya mo mi le me aso ni enta be news unless the man ma odi down the news or for who down who the news they will say it so wala wa go share video na wala ho o ma ya e drop we na share the video, share it princess subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the red button. Princess so go it most I want go subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the red button. As you do that, God will bless you. Thank you. I want to drop here waya we say wa here we wa baba you wa ciao 4+4 talk ba 4+4 talk ba 4+4 talk ba ciao tutti buonanotte waya here we ciao.